Another very good clay I used to make my skincare product is Kaolin clay. If you have worked with Kaolin clay before, you know that this is a very common exfoliant. It's also used to make excellent facial scrub. Okay, Kaolin clay is good. It's rich. Okay, and you can easily, you know, combine it with other clays to make great, very great facial mask. Then the next I'm going to talk to you about is Rhassoul clay. This clay is it originates from Morocco and is very, very good for making facial mask for all skin type. That's the good thing about Rhassoul clay, and this is how that's how I spell Rhassoul clay. Now, this is a very, if you have a combination skin and you want to make a good face mask, this is a good face mask for you. So if you mix Rhassoul clay with Kaolin clay, it makes a very good face mask. Very, very good, very, very good and rich also. And this covers my entire clay. Now in my next video I'm going to talk about each of this clay one by one. Then I'm going to show you to them how they turn into very good mask and how you can use them when you are making your face mask. Thank you so much everyone for watching.